Imagine stumbling upon a creature so bizarre, it seems more at home in the world of Pokemon than on planet Earth. What if this creature actually existed millions of years ago? Meet the Sinomacrops bondei, a newly unearthed pterosaur species that called the lush subtropical forests of northern China its home during the Jurassic period. Picture this, a creature the size of a pigeon, but with a wide frog-like mouth, soaring between ancient trees under the dense canopy. Sinomacrops bondei wasn't just any flying reptile. It marks one of the earliest known instances of powered flight, a significant evolutionary leap. This discovery adds a fascinating new chapter to our understanding of how life evolved wings and took to the skies in Earth's deep past. This strange new discovery challenges our perceptions of prehistoric life, proving that reality can be as strange as fiction. Why does the discovery of Sinomacrops bondei matter to us today? In the vast tapestry of prehistoric life, each creature holds a story, and Sinomacrops bondei is no exception. This newly identified pterosaur, unearthed in the lush Jurassic landscapes of northern China, was about the size of a pigeon, a rather modest size compared to its colossal cousins. But what truly sets Sinomacrops bondei apart is its unusual mouth, broad and frog-like, unlike the typically narrow and pointed jaws of many other pterosaurs. This unique feature suggests a different feeding behavior, possibly a diet that included a variety of small insects and plants, offering us a glimpse into the diversity of prehistoric life. The significance of such discoveries extends beyond mere curiosity. By understanding the anatomical peculiarities of Sinomacrops bondei, scientists can piece together the ecological dynamics of the Jurassic period more vividly. This pterosaur's existence points to a rich subtropical environment where diverse forms of life flourished and where the air was as bustling with activity as the forest floor and rivers below. Moreover, findings like these have ripple effects into modern biological and ecological studies. They encourage scientists to think about evolutionary biology and adaptation in new ways. For instance, the distinct traits of Sinomacrops bondei might lead to insights into how certain species have adapted their feeding habits and physical characteristics to specific environments over millennia. Each new discovery, like that of Sinomacrops bondei, not only fills gaps in our prehistoric timelines but also enriches our understanding of how life evolves and adapts. In a world where the lines between what once was and what could have been blur, discoveries like Sinomacrops bondei bring us closer to the truth. Let's revisit the discovery of this ancient flyer. Sinomacrops bondei, a creature with a wingspan no wider than a large textbook and a face that might remind one of a whimsical creature from a children's fantasy novel. Found in the lush subtropical forests of what is now northern China, this pterosaur adds a fascinating chapter to our understanding of prehistoric life. But the significance of Sinomacrops bondei extends beyond its peculiar anatomy. Such discoveries challenge and expand our cultural lore and scientific understanding of dinosaurs and other prehistoric beings. They push the boundaries of what we know, inviting us to imagine the diverse and dynamic ecosystems of millions of years ago, where creatures like Sinomacrops soared through the skies. As we continue to unearth the past, creatures like Sinomacrops bondei remind us that the history of life on Earth is far more fascinating and intricate than we could have ever imagined.